Hello, my name is Karen Arisa, and I'm going to talk about Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is located in Peru, is natural and man-made. There is line on a highlight surrounded on three sides by the windy, turbulent Urubamba River some 2,000 feet, uh, 610 meters below. It's a must-see for any visitor to Peru, and the draw that compels many to travel to that nation is tangible evidence of the urban Inca Empire. So Machu Picchu is one of the most amazing because it's located on the top of the mountain and conserve care for the nature. It represents two sectors very important for the people that are agricultural sector and urban sector. And its constructions are wonderful. So I present my postcard for my mom. Hi mom, I am in Peru and I am visiting Machu Picchu. It's amazing. It's a beautiful place. There are a lot of mountains. There are a lot of trees. There are walls and terraces. There is an archaeological zone, and you can go walking in this area. You can find the Inca city too. To arrive there, you can go riding by train and then in car or walking. There are 200 houses approximately. I'm really surprised with all of them. Love, Karen. Thank you.